welcome back to Vlogmas day 20. We are going to do a good clean on my house before I have to go up to my parents' house and help them with some stuff. So let's get cleaning. I want to put the fence up around the tree first, but I need to clean this area up and then I can put the fence up. So then the puppies and the dogs can't get to the tree. Because do you notice there's nothing down here? Because the puppies will jump up and destroy my ornaments, which I don't care that ornaments are being destroyed because they were only from the Dollar Tree, but they are breaking off little pieces of them ornaments, and I'm scared that they're going to choke on them or, you know, their body won't be able to digest it. So let's get the fence up. Can we do it? Yes, we can. So it doesn't look the best, but it will do. Now I can put ornaments on the bottom half, and I don't think the dogs should be able to get to the tree. Cross your fingers, they can't. But that is what it's gonna have to look like until Christmas Eve, because I need to put presents under there and the puppies won't leave the tree alone. And they keep wanting to bite on the cord. So I have to have the cord up, as you see, because I can't have them biting on it. So we haven't had the tree plugged in for days, over a week now, but I can finally do that. The kids will be happy to have their tree lit up at nighttime. So we are done with that. I need to wash the tree skirt and then I can put that back underneath the tree. But now I think I'm gonna work on the entrance and living room. It needs a good clean before I let the puppies back in. I am watching Fearfully Created right now. I love her. If you guys haven't watched any of her videos, go check her out. Absolutely love her. I'm sorry about the dogs. One of them started to howl and now all of them are trying to howl. I know you hear some barking. That's Rocky. He doesn't know how to howl, so he barks. They're fine, trust me. Let's get back to cleaning.
I can feel it in the air. It's getting colder, but yet so warm. Before we know it, it's Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. This year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hope Santa won't forget it, then I won't forgive him, no. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. I love the snow and I love the scarves, the candles lighting the decade malls. But something's missing. I wonder what. This year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hope Santa won't forget it, then I won't forgive him, no. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. Santa, won't you forget about it, Santa? I won't forgive you for it, Santa. Won't you forget about it?
have the house mostly cleaned. I have Rocky, Ace, Bella, Zoe, and Leo all outside together. Bella and Zoe don't get along while they're pregnant. They're not really aggressive towards each other. They're just weird. It's hard to explain. And then I'm going to bring them in. I have some laundry going right now. I had to wash up a lot of the dog bedding because I usually do that on Monday and I didn't do that yesterday, so I had to do that today. And then I have to wash all of the kids' clothes and their towels because I am behind on laundry. I'm gonna pick another winner and I'm gonna close the other ones. I'm not sure if I closed them yet, but I will do that. And then I think I'm gonna go up to my parents' house. I have to feed their chickens, and then I have to make candy bags, deliver presents, wrap some presents, and clean. And then I think that's it for the day there. And then later tonight, I might go to the boys' basketball game. It just depends on how my back is feeling. If my back is killing me, then I will be staying home. But if my back is fine, then I'll go. They have another game on Thursday that is at home too. So if I don't make it tonight, I can make it on Thursday. But anyways, I'm going to let the dogs in, let them play for a good hour or so. And then I'm going to go up to my parents' house and start getting everything done I need to do up there. We are going up to my parents' house to feed the chickens, and then I'm going to go and help them. I think I also have to give my brother a ride to go get his truck because I think his truck is done. Well, I know his truck is done. He told me it's done, but I think I'm the one who's going to be giving him the ride to go get it. Was I late? Hello? Chickens are fed, and now I'm going to my parents' house to see what they need help with. Oh, their Frosty is still up. He didn't fall down. Good. It wasn't windy out or anything, and it's really nice out today. I mean, it's nice, but your little fingers and ears will get cold fast. I got some packages that came in the mail for my mom, and I have my phone or tripod, whatever you call it. Okay, let's go see what mom and dad need. It is many, many hours later. I went up to my parents' house. I helped wrap some presents, had to put together their humidifier, and I had to bring my brother to get his truck fixed. And then I had to go wait for their daughter, and then my brother showed up, so then he waited for her. And now I'm home. I think I'm going to end the vlog here. It's going to be a very short vlog, I'm assuming. But the boys have a game tonight, and they will get done at 6:30, so I have to go pick them up. And then Abby has a game, an away game, and she's not going to get back until much later. So, yeah. And Chris is at work, and he's going to be working late tonight. But before I end this vlog, I did get a package in the mail, so I'm going to open it. Okay, we got a package, and I think I know what it is. It's for Chris and Billy Tucker. Oh, we get it every year. What do you think it is?
up.
So my sister and her husband, every year for Christmas, they get us cookies. And they are from Mrs. Fields. And you know what I always do?
Eat them up.
I take the ones that I want and hide them.
Hey.
You're not supposed to be here while I do this. Because if you don't get it right away, the kids will have them all gone. So there's...
Is there any dark chocolate things?
Oh yeah, triple chocolate ones. Which is the ones that I like.
Don't take all of them, you fatty. I like brownies too. Come back.
Hold on a second. You can have this one. This is the double fudge one, and these two are mine. I'm taking the double fudge brownie and the toffee brownie. You guys, they're a little hard right now because they've been outside. Once they warm up a little bit, they literally just melt in your mouth. I love these. I think these are this is what she gets us every year, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. So thank you to my sister.
Now hide it up in that cupboard.
No.
We'll just munch on it after school.
No.
Before they all get back.
Oh, you're talking about the whole thing? Yeah, we should just hide it somewhere in the house. And we should bring the elf out.
And after school, it's only you and me, sometimes Chris. But he won't snitch. And we'll just munch on it. And then when we hear a door open, we throw it back.
We should go and bring the elf out and be like, Auntie Tammy brought the cookies, but you have to find them. And we will have them hidden so good that they can never find them.
And they'll be like, too late, we ate them all.
No, and then every day, the elf will be holding like the empty wrappers. You better hurry, they're almost gone.
In reality, it's like somewhere they'll never find it.
Where would they never look?
Somewhere in my room.
No, you just wanted easy access for you to eat them. Somewhere in my room. Oh, this is awesome. I'm gonna
wrap it up as one of the presents.
I could do that. I could just have it wrapped on the table, and then like they would never unwrap it, and then we just have to unwrap it every day, take what we want, and then wrap it back up.
Mm-hmm.
She had a good idea. Okay, I'm gonna end the vlog here.
I like these little mini cookies too.
Yeah, some are cute. I'm gonna end the vlog here so I can edit this and get it uploaded for tomorrow night. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
What?